Good morning, all of you. Now, today, in continuation with the same chapter, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe, we will continue with the question answers. And I've already given you how many questions yesterday?
Ma'am, 20.
Okay, so you have already written 20. Now, I will give you few more long answers, and after that, I'll be giving you short ones. Okay, so the next two are again long answers. Okay, write down. Explain what is meant by explain what is meant by the 1848 revolution. Explain what is meant by the 1848 revolution of the liberals. Explain what is meant by the 1848 revolution of the liberals. Full stop. What were, continuing the same question, what were the political, comma, social and economic ideas? What were the political, comma, social and economic ideas supported by the liberals? What were the political, comma, social and economic ideas supported by the liberals? Question mark. This answer you have on page number 17. You will get this answer on page number 17. Okay, next. Just tell me, have I given you this particular question? Nationalism no longer retained its idealist, liberal, democratic sentiments by the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe. Have I given you this? No? Okay, then write down.
Ma'am, please repeat the page number.
Page number was 17. Okay, write down the next question. Nationalism no longer retained its idealistic comma, liberal, comma, democratic sentiments. Nationalism no longer retained its idealistic, comma, liberal, comma, democratic sentiments by the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe. By the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe. Put this into single quotes. Full stop. Analyze the statement with examples. Analyze the statement with examples. This answer you will get on.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Please repeat what? The whole question. National.
Last quarter.
nationalism no longer retained its idealistic, liberal, democratic sentiments by the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe. By the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe, full stop. Analyze the statement with examples. Analyze the statement with examples. You are not able to hear?
Your voice is getting down.
Yes. Better? No. Class 10th?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it better? Okay. So, have you written the question now? Okay. This answer you will get on page number 26. Page number 26, the first paragraph and a little part of the second paragraph. The first paragraph on page number 26 and a small part of the second paragraph also. All right. Next one. Give short notes on. Give short notes on. First is Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe. Giuseppe. Giuseppe Mazzini. Mazzini. Second part. Count Camillo. Count, C will be capital, Count. Camillo, Camillo. Camillo. D, small d, De. Count Camillo de Cavour. C will be capital again, Cavour. Cavour. Count Camillo de Cavour. Next, Frankfurt Parliament. Frankfurt, Frankfurt. Frankfurt. Frankfurt Parliament. Next, the role of women. The role of women in nationalist struggles. The role of women in nationalist struggles. And the last one here, Giuseppe Garibaldi. Giuseppe Garibaldi. Giuseppe. Giuseppe. Garibaldi. Garibaldi. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the short ones. Write down. First one. What was L? E-double-L-E. What was L? E-double-L-E. E-double-L-E. Next, what do the saints what do the saints what do the saints comma angels and Christ, what do the saints comma angels and Christ symbolize, what do the saints, angels and Christ symbolize in the utopian version, in the utopian version, sorry, not version, utopian vision, vision, in the utopian, utopian, in the utopian vision. Next, who were the Junkers, who were the Junkers, Junkers, who were the Junkers? Written? Yes, have you all written? Okay, next. What does suffrage mean? What does suffrage mean? Suffrage. SUFFRAGE. What does suffrage mean? Next, which state led the unification of Germany? Which state led the unification of Germany? Then write the same question for Italy also. Which state led the unification of Italy? Which state led the unification of Italy? Which state led the unification of Italy? After that, who holds the credit? Who holds the credit of unifying Germany? Who holds the credit of unifying Germany? Who holds the credit of unifying Germany? Next, who was Otto OTTO? Who was Otto von Bismarck? BISMARCK. Who was Otto von Bismarck? BISMARCK.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Who was Otto von Bismarck? OTTO von Bismarck. BISMARCK. Next, who was Frederick Sorue? Who was Frederick? FREDERIC. FREDERIC. Who was Frederick Sorue? SORRIEU. SORRIEU. Who was Frederick Sorue? Next, how did landed aristocracy exercise power? How did landed aristocracy exercise power?
Ma'am, please repeat.
How did landed aristocracy how did landed aristocracy aristocracy, how did landed aristocracy exercise power? POWER. Next, what was the objective of the Treaty of Vienna? What was the objective of the Treaty of Vienna? What was the objective of the Treaty of Vienna? Next, which countries met at the Treaty of Vienna? Which countries met at the Treaty of Vienna? Which countries met at the Treaty of Vienna? And the last one, what do the ideas of La Patrie, LA, then leave space, PATRIE. What do the ideas of La Patrie, LA dash, not dash, leave space, PATRIE, La Patrie, and Le Citoyen, LE space capital C CITOYEN, Le Citoyen emphasize? What do the ideas of La Patrie and Le Citoyen emphasize? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so that would be all.
Ma'am.
And now regarding how you will be giving your exam, now most probably you will get the question paper on WhatsApp, and then you have to write the questions, write the answers on a register. Make a register A4 size, somewhat close to A4 size register, buy that, and in that you will write all your exams. Not one, but all your exams would be written in that. So make it that thick. And then, like if you are doing history civics, so when you start, you will write page 1 on top, page 1, your name, class and section, roll number, and subject, like history civics. So you write page number 1, name, class, section, roll number, and the subject. When you will turn the page, again on the second side you will give the same details. Page number 2, name, class, section, roll number, and the subject. On each page that you use, if you are using for example 5 pages, so on each page you will number them 1 2 3 4 5, and all these personal details would be there on each page. And when you click a photo, then click it in such a manner so that all the details are there, that you don't miss out on any of the details, because if you miss out, then you could miss out on one whole page of your work. Understand, all of you?
Ma'am, please can you repeat? I didn't listen to you.
Why? What were you doing, my dear?
No, ma'am, like your voice were
Okay. All right.
clear.
To the recording.
Listen to the recording, because that is done through the screen recorder, so in that my voice will not lag. Alright, you will be able to hear it as clearly as I am speaking it just now. Okay, So all these details you will write on each page, then click a photo in such a manner so that all those details are visible, and then make a PDF. Make sure that your PDF is in correct order. All the pages are in sequence, not page number 1, then page number 3, page number 5, page number 4, not like that. Select a PDF in which you can reorder your pages. Means if by chance, you know, sometimes what happens, you click photos on, and then when you take it to a certain app, then what happens, the numbering, it gets all disrupted. So select an app, PDF Maker, in which you can reorder the pages. I use Adobe. हाँ बेटा.
Microsoft Lens.
Okay, whatever you prefer. Like I use Adobe, earlier Cam Scanner, but now we cannot use Cam Scanner. That was the easiest. But like I use Adobe, so in that you can reorder the pages also, and even you can change the color also. Like you can retain the original color, the color with which it is written. So you can retain the original color. It does not become very light, and so it depends on you. But let it be that, you know, sometimes when you scan, the printing or the writing, it becomes very light and very bright, so you're not able to see it properly. So make sure that you use a proper PDF Maker, make a proper PDF, and then send it to us. Rename the PDF also. The PDF also should be renamed, and on the PDF also your name should be there along with the details. But I want that before writing your name, you write your roll number. Like when you rename the PDF, let it be 1 space your name, class section. Don't write class 10th A, just 10A. Alright, so that you use less space. So it will be 1. Don't write roll number 1, just 1, your name, class section, and the subject. Understood? Now in that way, what will happen, it will become easier for me to set your PDFs roll number wise. So that is why I'm asking you to, when you are renaming your PDF, then put your roll number first. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the details that you need to write on the PDF also. Like when you rename it, don't forget to rename it. Otherwise, you know, each day we'll be getting so many PDFs. And obviously, you don't want them to get mixed up. And so be sure your roll number, your name, class section, and the subject. Is that understood? Any other confusion?
How much marks?
Your paper? Beta, together means the whole social studies together would be of 50 marks.
And how many questions in history and civics?
Mas, why don't you ask me the paper, though I haven't made till now?
Ma'am, we want to know that what would be the ratio of subjective and MCQ in the paper.
Beta, listen, as I think I'll give you few MCQs, but normally in place of objective, I normally prefer to give one-line answers. And like most of the other teachers also prefer doing that. Like even Ma'am Lata and Ma'am Vishali. So maybe you'll get 2, 1, 2, 3, maybe multiple choice in the correct manner. But otherwise, objective you will surely get. Alright, and objective in the total paper, I don't think so there'll be lot of objective, and it will be just like the way that you normally have your half yearlies and finals. You know how you normally have your half yearlies and finals? Yes? You remember class 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the same manner, you will have your half yearlies now. Only the maximum marks are a little less. That's all. Otherwise, you have your paper of 80 marks. But this time, it will be of 50. Understood? Any other confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do these question answers and I will send you few answers also. Though I have told you most of the pages, all the pages exactly, and just the short answers I have not told you. I think that you'll be able to find yourself. But I'll be sending you few answers. So write in your copies and send the work to your in charge as early as possible. Okay, all of you?
Ma'am, how many we have to do? Copy.
At least 10, but not short ones. I don't want very short ones. If you are doing very short ones, then do only 2 3, not more than that, because when you're writing only 10 in your copy, then those need to be long ones. Otherwise you'll have to write 20. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that would be all for today. And finish your written work fast and quick and send it to your in charges. Have a nice day, all of you.